What's good, everybody? It's Malcolm from Tapped In Wellness. I'm back in the kitchen today with Bob's Red Mill to bring you guys an epic oatmeal raisin cranberry cookie. And it comes together in about 20 to 30 minutes. I'm gonna be using Bob's Red Mill's gluten-free rolled oat to give us that nice oat texture that we're always looking for in a great cookie. But enough from me, let's get right into the video.
First, into a large mixing bowl, we're going to go in with half a cup of vegan butter and 1 cup of sugar. You could also use coconut oil for this step if you don't have access to vegan butter, but we're going to cream those together until it becomes a nice thick paste like you see here. From there, we're going to add in a 1/4 cup of plant milk, mix that in with our butter and sugar, along with 3/4 cup of flour and 3/4 cups of rolled oats. I'm using quinoa flour, which bakes really well, along with the rolled oats to come together into a nice consistency that we're looking for. To that, we're going to add a 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, about half a tablespoon of cinnamon, to give that a nice stir on top of the wet ingredients before we mix them all together. Once the dough starts to form, we can fold in a 1/4 cup of raisins and a 1/4 cup of dried cranberry until fully incorporated. From there, we're going to get our parchment lined baking tray and start to scoop out our cookie dough. I like using an ice cream scoop to get nice consistent shapes. I'm going to pat each one down a little bit just to get it nice and even, and then we're going to bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes until slightly golden. And there we have it. Nice, simple, easy oatmeal cranberry cookies. So delicious, so easy, 100% plant-based and gluten-free. Can't get any better than that. You guys gotta give this one a try.
That is the recipe, everybody. This is truly a treat and it comes together so easily. I hope you guys all try it out and I hope you love it. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.